Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we got some cool Amazon gadgets that make life a little more convenient and a little more fun. As always, links with their prices are in the description below, and let us know in the comments what type of gadgets you like. Let's go. Wireless charging station. Are you ever worried about your phone battery strength? Well, here is a cool wireless solution for you. This QI certified wireless charging station provides safe and quick charging with its upgraded design and internal chip. You only need one charger to power your AirPods, iWatch, and iPhone, and this is suitable to use at both home and work. Temperature control, surge protection, short circuit prevention, and other features are all provided here. For a better experience, you can utilize the included adapter and avoid using a thick protective case. Glow Decanter Set. Here comes the eye-catching and attractive Glow Decanter Set. A mahogany stained tray with a whiskey decanter and two matching old-fashioned whiskey glasses with a globe design are included in the patented set. Your drinking experience will definitely be improved by this hand-blown, elegant whiskey decanter dispenser with an ancient ship in the bottle and an etched globe design. This would be a great present that will spark excitement at any gathering and can also be used to serve other drinks, including iced tea, juice, and water. Clocky alarm clock on wheels. Are you excited to have a running alarm clock to help you start up your day? The runaway rolling alarm clock, or this alarm clock on wheels, will jump, hide, walk, shake, and change directions until you wake up and silence the alarm. This is funny, annoying, and a little insane. And this gadget will get you up early and can move on wood or carpet. This is the perfect alarm clock for those who sleep a lot. Moreover, this is perfect for people who are having a habit of hitting that snooze button too many times. Wireless key tracker. This is a great helper for those who forget easily where they kept their keys. There is no need to install any apps on your phone, so great for all ages to use easily. 3 batteries are included with the item, and after the battery is installed, it can be used. With the help of the included key rings, you can easily locate any items like keys, wallets, TV remote controls, keychains, glasses, dog or cat collars, or other items that are easily misplaced by pressing the appropriate button on this Vodson Item Key Finder, which has a single RF transmitter and 2 receivers. Portable air conditioner. Do you want to experience comfort while working or even relaxing at home? Well, here is the portable air conditioner that you asked for. This gives rapid, effective cooling for spaces up to 200 square feet. The product will help you to create a relaxing and comfortable environment while concurrently delivering fan and dehumidification functions. You can use the mobile app to manage your portable air conditioner from any location. By connecting your air conditioner to Alexa or Google Assistant, the system will listen to voice instructions and keep your house pleasant and cool. Wireless digital microscope. Are you interested in becoming a scientist at your own house? Here is the best and easiest digital microscope to try out. The battery charges quickly and lasts a long time. It provides for a really practical and enjoyable tool to always carry with you when you're outside. On your nature hikes, you can enjoy the pocket tiny microscope that is light and easy to carry. The high definition and magnification of this digital microscope can satisfy your needs by 2 million pixels, 1080p HD visual quality. This gadget is more than a microscope, as it is a camera that can shoot pictures and videos in addition to magnifying. Da Vinci Code Mini Lock Puzzle Box. Here comes the history-based Da Vinci Code Mini Lock Puzzle Box. You need to unlock a 5-digit code to open the cryptex. The cipher cylinder contains 5 turntables, each with 26 letters, allowing for up to an almost endless possible cryptex permutations and combinations. The default password is I love you, however. You can also choose your own password. It offers instructions and resources to change the password easily. You can play a detective game with your friends in which you can give various hints so that the other person can guess the password. This type of puzzle game develops both your logical and emotional skills. Automatic pasta and noodle maker. Are you always hungry as well as lazy to make something on your own to eat? Well, Here comes the fully automatic 4-in-1 electric pasta and noodle maker, which can do all the mixing, kneading, and extruding for you, making it simple, enjoyable, and practical to give your family and friends delicious, homemade pasta faster than you've had them after going to the store. Spaghetti, penne, linguine, tagliatelle, udon, angel hair, fettuccine, and lasagna can all be made using this gadget. So, try this handy home time saver to have easy homemade meals. Otst Mini Bag Sealer. Are you worried about the quality of your food? There is a way to keep them fresh. You can use this effective mini bag sealer to seal your contents. This uses heat to seal your snack shut, and you can keep your food crisp and fresh. Moreover, this is wonderful for sealing or resealing bags of chips, cookies, snacks, cereal, pasta, and many more. This will close bags effectively and keep them fresher than clips. The magnet inside will help you to easily stick this on the refrigerator and easily store it in a drawer. Pull-up bar handles. Are you someone who takes care of your physical fitness a lot? Here is the pull-up bar handle, which can be used to ease your exercising. This Rise UPS have a unique zip clamp technology that enables them to lock to your door quickly and securely. You can remove the zip clamp and take them down by pressing a button. It has never been so easy to exercise. With these portable pull-up grips, you can carry them everywhere. Now you won't have to skip a workout while you're out on the road. Rovi Von LED Flashlight. Rovi Von LED Flashlight is easy to operate. All you have to do is just double-click or long push on the side button. This is an awesome pocket flashlight. A full charge can be completed in 1 hour using a Type-C charging connector with a 5 volts 2.4 amperes charging voltage. This is an ideal working flashlight that can be used in any type of situation. Adjustable Grilling Caddy. Grab the full-sized handle and bring your kitchen to the grill with this adjustable grilling caddy. Paper towels, grilling supplies, sauces, and more can all be kept in this caddy by your grill. Your spatula and barbecue tongs are always close at hand thanks to the 2 extending hooks. The lightweight design of this makes it ideal for your grilling adventures. This is a must-have item if you are someone who enjoys grilling with your loved ones. Sand Anchor Beach Lock. Digo Beach Anchor is a perfect way to hold a beach umbrella, tie dog leash, secure your belongings at the beach, and much more. With the help of the locking mechanism of Sand Anchor Beach Lock, you can secure anything to your location on the sand, including your bag, dog, bike, surfboard, tent, and other valuables. With this important beach item, you can keep your hands free and your closest buddy close by. Enjoy the beach without any fear of losing your valuables with the help of this beach lock. Pocket Tripod. This pocket tripod is compatible with any phone or case that is less than 1/2 inches thick. The gadget is so easy to operate. The pocket tripod converts itself from a card to a fully adjustable tripod for your mobile device with just a twist and flip. The grip will gently grip cases and screen protectors while firmly holding your phone. The product is designed with the finest grade materials and production standards, so you won't have to doubt its quality. Portable Organizer with Charger. Here is the portable desk organizer, which has plenty of room for all your daily necessities. To make it simpler to access goods while working at your desk, you can separate the top tray from the internal storage. Your gadgets will always be charged thanks to the wireless charger included inside the lid. To save room in your wallet, you can place cards that you don't use frequently in the lid. For smaller goods that tend to get lost, there is also an elastic pouch included. So, this will be the best portable desk organizer you can ever have. That does it. We hope you enjoyed the 15 coolest gadgets that are worth buying. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and tickle that little bell to see more new videos about some of the coolest tech and gadgets we come across. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one.